In this video, we are going to see how we can change the directions mode to walking directions. So let's say that you are not driving and you are in the middle of streets and you want the walking direction, so you can easily go through the side streets in Google Maps. So here's how you do it. So first of all, let's say that from Sports City to Dubai Sports Society, let's say I want to walk through my society, and okay, that's too far. Let's say I want to walk from Dubai Sports City to Dubai International Cricket Stadium just because there's some match going on, and because of that they have closed it for cars. So what we want to do is just switch to the walking directions. But at the bottom, you will notice that right now we are set to the car. So we can set it to train, we can set it to walk. So let's set it to walk. And it's almost of 19 minutes of walk, which is 1.4 kilometers. And the best part is it will include all the sidewalks, the cut-throughs, and all of those places or areas where the car cannot have the access. And after that, you just click on the preview and it will show you all the walking path and with the clear directions on how you can walk through each area and how and when you need to turn the left to the right. And you can also have the 3D view of the streets if you want to. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.